Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie, the show where each week I receive a mystery product from Ace and I need to figure out how to use it at my home. And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects. Let's see what's in the bag this week. Benjamin Moore Ben exterior paint. And it says it's in polished slate. Let's open it up. This is a really pretty spring color. Now, this is exterior paint, so there's only a few places that I can put this, but I have just the spot. Follow me. Welcome to my front porch. I was so excited to get the Benjamin Moore exterior paint because you know me, I love color. My front door has gotten a lot of wear and tear over the winter, and now that it's getting nice out, it's the perfect time for a refresh. Don't be afraid to paint your exterior. The prep work is so minimal that you'll wish you have done it sooner. For those of you wondering, the current color of the door is called beige wood, and it's also a Benjamin Moore color. Since we're painting exterior wood, we're gonna wanna prime it first. This helps the new paint stand up to the wear and tear of a busy household and the weather that hits it. This color is called polished slate. I love the idea of a bold color on your front door. It gives your guests a sneak peek preview of your design style inside. When picking a color, add a small mount to the door and look at it at different times of the day. This way, you're gonna make sure you love it at the day or at night. I just love how that project turned out. Another episode is coming up, so get comfortable.